Love, love, love this set. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video I'm going to be doing a vlog. So hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Today's video is in collaboration with stronger.se, which is a Swedish workout wear brand, and they are amazing. I love them so much. So they kindly sent me some things, and I obviously have a coupon code for you, which is justme20, which gives you 20% off, so you can use that. Check out my links down below to see everything I got. And I'm just going to be doing a little try on haul / review for you guys, and then I'm going to be doing some kind of workout. Maybe you can come with me to the gym if I can be bothered to get my ass to the gym. I haven't went to the gym since, like, I haven't consistently been going to the gym since before I went away, which is like 5 months ago now. I did do an Instagram story post about these clothing pieces a while back, but yeah, I'm gonna show you them again now. So the first set I got was this set, which is a like khaki green, is that what you call it? I don't know. They have this set in so many different colors. They're just high-waisted. It says stronger on them right there. Got this pattern around the leg, and they just look like that. I got this in a size small, so I got those. And to go with that, I got this, which is so cute because it is a sports bra, but it's long, so you don't have half your tummy sticking out. It like covers quite a lot. And I also got this in a small, which is a little bit tight for my liking. Like, yes, it's a sports bra, but it is quite tight, so I probably should have got a medium, just so you know, like as a reference. And I think I have like a C cup, so yeah. Next I got the same tights, but in this color. Wait, are these the same tights? These are the Pangea tights, and then these are the Buddha tights, but they look almost the same. Okay, they don't look exactly the same. They've got stronger all around the top part here, which is like a nice waistband. These are also high-waisted. I also got these in a small, and they just look like this. I have been wearing them, and they are super comfy. They also have the like the line around the leg, and they're just really nice. I love these. This set is probably my favorite set because it is so comfortable and so soft, and it's just like something about the material. It's just a lot more stretchy than the other ones. And I got this one in a small as well, and this is their new marble collection. This one's called Marble Madness. Also got this in a small. Love the waistband up here, and they've just got this marble print on them. And then for the bra, we've got this. It looks like this. It's not as long as the other one, and this one isn't as tight as the other one. I don't know, I got them in the same size, but it's just not as tight, so I guess it's kind of a different fit. But the material is top notch. It's so good. Okay, by the way, I've got a new kitten called Siri. It's a lot cuter in Swedish than it is in English, and she is the cutest thing ever. Yeah, we've got her at my mum's house, so she's not like only my kitten. So now let's go and try these on. So now I've done the try on section for you guys, and I just love every single piece. I think I'm gonna go to the gym in this because it's the most covering, and the only thing is I don't have my wireless earphones here. They're at my dad's, so I might have to just drop by there and have them, because I can't be asked to have a cord hanging from me, because then I can't like, then I have to take my earphones out when I'm doing some machines. And I'm also going to bring this water bottle, by the way. This is also from Stronger. I've used this so much and I've been kind of rough with it, so I mean it's looking a bit beaten and battered right now, but it's so good. It's like matte black, which I think is really cute. It's got their Stronger thing on it, and it's got this, so you can hang it on your gym bag or whatever you feel like, and it basically keeps your water cold all day. Like, I was at the beach today and I brought this with me, and my water was still ice cold. Like, my water was still cold even though I'd have it. I can talk. No, my water was still cold even though I'd had it in my really hot car all day. So that's a tip. They also have it in pink, which is cute. Click the links down below if you are interested in any of the pieces I showed you. You can also check their website out and use my coupon code justme20, because they have so many other sets on there. I'm sure you'll find something that you love. So yeah, now let's move on. I haven't been to the gym in ages and I'm scared. Also kind of scared to bring you guys along, but I don't think I'll bring you. I think I'll bring my phone and just vlog on that because I'm scared of this. But I might bring you along in the car and do like a little couple karaoke thing. Haven't done that in a hot minute. Kind of scared I'll crash though because, yeah, you know, it's a situation. Also, me and my friend Hilma went to IKEA today, which was really fun. I hardly got anything though. We were actually going to go to the beach to sunbathe and swim, but it got really cloudy after just like 1 hour. But I got this and I'm so excited about it. It's a thing that you can have in your bed. It's like a table for your bed so you can eat food in bed without spilling. Because I always eat food in bed and snack, and you can also put your computer on it, which is going to be super handy. I will build this up when I get home. It's called Klipsk, if you want to get it. I'm really excited to be vlogging again, guys. This is fun. I'm getting an ache in my arm after just holding this camera up, so that says something about my fitness right now. Lego. It's cold outside, which is why I'm wearing this over my sports bra, but I'm just outside because my gym closes in an hour and it takes me like 20 minutes to get there, so I wouldn't have a lot of time there at all. So I just decided I might as well just stay at home and do an outside home workout because it is already 8 o'clock. I left it pretty late after getting back from IKEA, but we're gonna do a little workout here. I'm just gonna do like a little bit of butt, abs and legs, and then maybe I'll go for a little run. Probably won't. I've got my speaker here, so I'm gonna put some tunes on, so I won't be talking, but I'll be showing you what I'm doing. Let's go. This is currently the time, 18 minutes past 8. Stay hydrated. My camera's blinking and it's gonna die, so I'm just gonna show you what things I'm gonna be doing. It's 8:37 now, so I think I worked out in about 20 minutes, but I was very bad, very tired. I'm just feeling like exhausted, and I would have put more work into it if I was at the gym right now, but now I just kind of want to go inside and chill, but the view is really nice. But I need to go in, put this camera on charge. Peace out. Love these workout clothes. Just me 20. We're eating sushi. Yum yum.
Hi, welcome.
Now we're just doing some shopping. I've got a top that I'll show you when I get home. Okay, a long time no drive with me. Why do I look this ratchet is a good question. I'm gonna go home now. My hair is fucking horrible. I don't have a ponytail. And this super rich kids with nothing but loose ends. I'm home again, guys, and here's my new kitten called Siri. Oh, and by the way, this is my new IKEA table that I got yesterday, but because my camera was charged I couldn't film me setting it up, but it was so easy, and recommend. It was perfect. I had my laptop on and I could have my smoothie bowl next to it. It was so good. And this is the top I got today. I really love it. It's from H&M and it was on sale. I've never loved these buttons, but I really like this top and the colour, and I just think it's really cute. So I think I'm gonna wear that tomorrow maybe. I'm with Amy. We're having brunch. So I just made avocado sandwiches. Currently it's 20 to 4 and I'm gonna head to the gym after this. Hi guys, I'm so tired. I just had my avocado sandwich that I filmed and it's currently like 4 o'clock I'm guessing. Yeah, I had a really nice day with Amy. We had a really nice brunch, but I'm really tired and I'm outside my gym in my car for the first time in months. And before I went on my trip I came in this like workout flow and I thought it was really fun and I was so inspired to work out, but now I'm just like tired. But I think the more I get into it and the stronger I feel, the more motivated I'll be. So I'm just gonna go and do this. I'm gonna do legs and butts because I think that's the easiest. So come along. I won't bring my camera, I'll just vlog on my phone because there's a lot of people at the gym right now and it's kind of awkward to bring my camera in there. I just posted on Instagram. You guys should follow my Instagram, justmebecca with 3 C's. I just posted this. I love this phone case. It's the phone case I'm wearing right now. I've got my code there and I'll put it on the screen. You'll get 20% off anything. I used 3 eggs, some salt and pepper and some Oatly food cream. Making myself an iced coffee as per. Scrumptious. Okay, so right now I'm just sat here in my bed editing this video. I've drank my iced coffee and I had some crisps left from the other day, so I've been snacking on them as well. So yeah, the weather's nice outside and it's currently, what is it? 7:30. I still haven't taken a shower, guys. I'm so bad at this. I'm always like, whenever I get home and I've kind of already been sweaty, so now the sweat has like dried, I'm always like, I can't wait to take a shower because I'm so lazy. So it'll probably end up with me taking a shower super late tonight. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this vlog here. Also, I'm thinking of taking my tapestry away, so I might start a new vlog when I do that. So I forgot to remind you guys, but don't forget to use my code JustMe20 on Stronger and click the links down below if you found anything you like. So yeah, don't forget to use that. But yeah, thank you for watching this video and comment down below on what else you'd like to see on my channel. I love you guys. Bye.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go.